to use a Vodafone Broadband Speed Test. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is obviously connect your device you want to test directly to your Vodafone Wi-Fi network. So after doing that, here you can see currently I have my phone with me right now. What you're going to do is now open any sort of web browser, right? So let's just go into my Google, and then from here what you're going to do is simply search for Vodafone Speed Test. So after doing that, this is the first link that you want to tap into. So after tapping on this link here, you'll be able to see this particular tool, right? So all you need to do is simply tap on go, and then from there it will now start checking your speed limit. So after doing that, you can now wait for the tool to calculate your download speed, upload speed, and ping, and then you can review the result against your contracted plan speed. And that is all you need to do in order to use your Vodafone Broadband Speed Test. So yeah, if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.